One of San Antonio's hottest live entertainment experiences, the Bret Mullins Band blends new country original hits and timeless classic country favorites. They provide high-energy shows while remaining true to their Texas roots. The Bret Mullins Band gets people tapping their toes and onto the dance floor almost every weekend of the year and has a large following of devoted listeners. Famed journalist Sam Kendrick says, Bret Mullins is one of the most sought-after country music band leaders in San Antonio and South Texas. Bret has the soaring vocals. Bret's style lends itself to the Texas dance halls where country music two-steppers drink and kick up their heels. Bret's newest music video, featuring the single I Got the Key from the album Kiss the Girl, has garnered over 100,000 views in just 2 weeks. With 3 studio albums under their belt, look for more Bret Mullins Band on a country radio station near you.